Hi guys, have you noticed how the media loves the doom and gloom headlines? You know, the old if it bleeds, it leads stuff. Now, especially when it comes to the real estate news. But the truth is, people buy and sell and make moves to homes in all types of markets, regardless of market conditions, interest rates, or even prices. There have been a lot of buyers who have been waiting and waiting, some for well over 3 years now, waiting for tides to turn from a seller's market to a buyer's market. Back then, they said they just knew that the prices are going to come down, and that's happened somewhat. But guys, mortgage rates have doubled. So what's a great solution? Guys, if you've been watching our channel for any length of time, you know we're all about answers, solutions, and results. We want you to achieve your real estate goals and in the process build wealth for you and your family. Hey, back in the early 80s, interest rates were much higher than they are right now. How about 17 to 18%? Well, here's what we did back then. We would search out assumable loan properties for our clients, helping them buy homes with much lower interest rates than what they could get at the time with a brand new loan. So it worked back then, and good news is it's working now. We ran a specific search today and we found homes that are listed on the market with assumable loans. We found about 24 of them, anywhere from 2.5 up to 5% assumable loans. Yes, these homes are all over the county here in San Diego. Homes like this townhome built in 2020 that we're previewing for our client today. List price is $715,000 with an assumable loan at 3.5% for 28 years at $480,000, meaning you're gonna need about $235,000 cash to buy this home. It's 6 miles from the beach here in Oceanside. You're getting a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage, and it's only 2 years old. Okay, it needs paint. Big deal. You're able to assume this loan at about 4% under what the current interest rates are right now if you had to go out and get a new loan on this property. Talk about a deal of the day. So who is this opportunity for, right? Who would be a good fit? Well, it's primarily great for 2 types of buyers. Buyers who have a decent sized down payment where they could make up the difference in cash. The cash between the current owner's loan balance and your agreed upon sales price. Or let's say you want to sell your current home and buy a bigger one. And when your current home sells, you know that you're going to be walking away with a good amount of equity. Now, normally those proceeds are used for a down payment. Instead, there is another use to consider. Use the funds to make up the difference between the current seller's loan balance and the selling price. You're avoiding the current higher interest rates to acquire your new home. You were going to use them anyways as a hefty down payment. Well, now you're getting a much better interest rate on that new place. Oh, and you're going to get a lower payment each month too. Pretty cool, right? Hey, either way, you're a strategic buyer stepping into an assumable loan. A loan that's sometimes as much as 5% under what current interest rates are. Yes, please, sign me up right now. We know you're smart enough to realize that if it sounds too good to be true, it is. Well, just like any other situation, there are a few things to note if you do plan on exploring this option. Now, first thing is, you do need to qualify for the seller's current loan. There are instances of doing a wrap. Well, a wrap is where a seller will continue to make payments to the lender, all the while you pay the seller. We're just not in that type of market right now. So yes, you're definitely going to need to qualify to assume that current mortgage on the home that you are buying. Now, the other important thing that you need to realize with this type of purchase is you as a buyer need to be flexible about what the terms are and where the deal may be located. Now, this means you can't just completely be focused in on finding a home that's going to check off all your boxes. Maybe the opportunity is just so good, it's worth a little extra drive time to get to work. So this is why it's so important to have a dedicated buyer's agent who has experience with all types of sales. Now, because the market has changed, we're in a place where you need a realtor that is more than just the local area specialist, because chances are the local neighborhood agent isn't experienced. Well, not experienced in foreclosures and short sales, auction properties, or even assumable loan sales. As we've said in other videos, not every deal is going to fit every buyer. Assumable loans on currently listed homes is just an indication. They may fit you, and they may present a possibility or a good opportunity for you, like the other terms that we look for that would indicate a good deal: auction, foreclosure, short sale, fixers, or even probate properties. Hey, the good news is that we are seeing more and more of these types of properties come into the market. Remember, smart buyers know how to find good deals and opportunities, especially when they're working with knowledgeable, experienced realtors. And we are happy to help you. We have been successful here in San Diego and in other parts of the country. And for folks who are looking outside of San Diego County, we're going to do the legwork for you. We're going to match you up with an excellent, skilled agent. We like to vet out area agents and make sure that their values align with ours when it comes to doing the right thing for our clients. So, foreclosures, assumable mortgages, short sales, fixers, probates, or even investment properties, just give us a call. The first thing that we're going to do is find out what you're looking for. We're going to make sure that we're the right fit to help you, then start exploring if there's any types of these deals that are going to match up with your budget, wants, and needs. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Oh, and if you haven't seen it yet, you got to check out the video we did recently about foreclosures here in San Diego. Yep, they're back. See you on the next video.